Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have a very exciting video. I am trying out some new products from Believe Beauty. If you don't know about Believe Beauty you can find at Dollar General and everything is like $5 and under. I'm super excited to try these affordable makeup products for you all today. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And that's about it my friends. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. All right friends, so we're going to be trying out some Believe Beauty products. I got a foundation, I got some lip products, all the good things. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this foundation. This is called the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation and I have mine in the color, I believe it was toffee. Yep, the color toffee right there. It had a big sticker right here, so that's why I have that. But before I get started with my foundation, I did not pick up a primer from them, so I'm just gonna have to prime my skin with something I have. So I'm just using the e.l.f. primer, the Melt Mint primer, to prime really quickly. The foundation does come with a pump, so I'm gonna pump about 2 pumps. I'm not sure if this is gonna be my shade. I think it will work out. So these are 2 pumps right here and it's barely covering up my imperfections. What do y'all think about it so far? It definitely covered up my redness. So I'm going to pump one more pump on this side. 1 pump. And I'm going to start right here where I have my redness. This is definitely like a medium coverage foundation. I'm pretty sure we can build it up. You see how I have some redness right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add 1 more pump and build up the foundation on my cheek right here. Super lightweight though. Doesn't feel like I'm adding too much product. It didn't cover everything, but it looks pretty good. Next up, we're moving on to concealer. I went ahead and picked up this shade in the color beige. I'm not sure if it's gonna work for me, but we're gonna try it out. Definitely too dark for me, but we're gonna make it work because this is the only shade that they had available. What do y'all think? Did it cover much? Let me go ahead and just add a little bit more. Let's see if I can build this up. Well, this concealer is a very natural concealer. Definitely not my Camo concealer or my hydrating concealer from e.l.f. that I'm used to. Let's see how it works over like little blemishes. I'm just used to a more full coverage concealer than this. Foundation is pretty. The concealer, it's not bad, it's just not my favorite. Next up, I'm going to go into this powder. I already opened it. This is the translucent powder. It is called the Matte Blur Loose Powder. I'm sorry, I'm squinting. I just can't see without my glasses. This is what it looks like right there. And I'm gonna get a sponge and I'm gonna start setting all these areas here. Then I'm going to go in with the rest of the powder and just put it on my fluffy brush. This is just an e.l.f. brush I have that I use. And I'm just going to set everything. That loose powder is super soft and I kind of like it. I just need some warmth back in my face. So I picked up this Believe Beauty bronzer and this is the color Toasted Bronze. So let me go ahead and show you. This is what it looks like. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing my skin with this. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush and just gonna bronze away. All right guys, so I don't know if you can see that, but now the bronzer looks a little deeper. So now that I swatched it, it is a little bit of a deeper shade. It's more of a cool tone shade right here, not something I usually use, but there was other colors, but I just wanted to mention that. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit translucent powder kind of to bake right here because I went a little heavy-handed with the bronzer per usual. Next up, I do have a blush, and this is the color Dollface. So this is basically a cream blush, and I know I should have applied this before, but I kind of wanted to try the bronzer first, but I've heard great things about these blushes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my little stippling brush. Ooh, it's very soft. So there's some product. Oop, that's a lot. That's a lot of product I put on my brush. How pretty. That blush just brought everything together. Now I also picked up this. This is a Radiant Glow Loose Setting Powder, and I kind of wanted to set the blush with this. This is in the color Golden Pearl. This is what it looks like right here. There we go. That looks so pretty. Look at that. It's like just like a little glow. I actually really like this. It's such a soft powder right here that I really enjoy it, and I love the color. I'm not sure if they have other shades, but I'll be on the lookout for that. I just love the packaging as well. Super cute. So this was the Radiant Glow Loose Setting Powder in Golden Pearl. I also picked up this Highlight Illuminizing Glow Trio in the color Sandstorm, and this I have used already because I just couldn't wait. I absolutely love it, guys. This is absolutely amazing. One of the best highlights ever. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Even though I already have like glowy cheeks, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And what I usually do is I love just using all three. And just hitting my cheeks with all three. And kind of bringing it forward and back. It is so pretty. I didn't pick up an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use the bronzer right here and the trio to kind of create like a shimmery nice look. So I'm gonna put this all over my crease, and then I'm gonna put one of these on my lid. Probably go with the gold or the bronze one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly because you can always use other things as eyeshadows, but they do have eyeshadows. I have seen various palettes. The time that I went, there was not a palette that I really liked because everything was almost sold out. So I went ahead and opted for not picking one up, but definitely gonna look into those. But I just wanted to show you that you can always use your bronzer, your highlighter, anything, even a blush to create an eye look. So Alright, so I went ahead and added my eyebrows, just some mascara and some eyeliner, and this is the look right here that I created with the highlighting trio and the bronzer. So now the last thing that I purchased was a lipstick, and this is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Charm. So it's like a nude color. But before we go ahead and try this out, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with one of my favorite lip liners, and then we're going to try that out. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the lipstick. It's a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. There we have it. It looks so pretty. It is super comfortable on the lips as well. I absolutely love it. What do you all think of this Believe Beauty makeup tutorial. I think it's so pretty. The skin is very glowy. So let me go ahead and remove my glasses and show you the final look. Before I show you the final look, I'm going to spray my face with this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Mist. Let's go over really quickly over your must-have products that I think you should go out and purchase right away if you're into beauty. My top favorite would have to be this blush, and this is in the color Dollface. It's a cream blush, but I think this one is so pretty. It just definitely made my look that much better. Also, another thing that I really would recommend you buying is this trio. This trio comes in various different shades. I have the color Sandstorm, but they come in different shades. This one that I have was for the deepest skin tone. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but I absolutely love it and I think it's gorgeous. So these two products are my absolute favorite, and the foundation is really pretty as well. Now the bronzer, I love the formula. I love how soft it is. I just did not like the color, but I think this is a really good bronzer as well. It looks very different for me because I'm usually more of a warmed toned bronzer kind of gal, but I really like it as well. If I were to choose from these two products, I would definitely recommend you picking up the trio instead of the loose powder. Just in my opinion, this one is way better. The concealer, I would pass on this one. I did not like this at all. It definitely did not cover as much as I wanted it to cover. I think there's much better alternatives out there in the drugstore, so I would definitely pass on the concealer. Powder is super soft, so I will keep you updated on this. I actually really enjoyed it as well. This is kind of one of those that if you have a lot of translucent powders, you won't definitely need this, but if you want to try this out, it is super soft, and I really enjoyed it as well. So that is it, my friends. That is today's makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite product from all the things that we tried out today. I'm super excited about these goodies, and I'm super excited that they're super affordable. You are able to find all these products at Dollar General. When I went, there was not a lot to choose from, but I'm so glad I got to pick these out. I can't wait to go back and try out other goodies that I couldn't find that day. But let me know what you want to see next. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, my friends, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.